Today, I'm going to show you how easy it is to set up an AI chatbot using GoHighLevel and its Conversation AI feature. AI chatbots are game changers for automating customer service, booking appointments, and more. So let's get started walking through this step by step. And don't forget to stick around until the end for an exclusive resource to help you get started with your own AI chatbots. First, I gather all the necessary information about my business. This includes the business name, contact details, hours, the services offered, and any other relevant information. I entered into GoHighLevel's Conversation AI, and this forms the foundation of my chatbot, ensuring it can represent my business accurately. Next, I enter my website URL into the bot training. The AI scans my website and extracts the relevant information such as product details, service descriptions, and more. This helps the chatbot provide accurate and comprehensive responses based on my website content. The next step is collecting the questions most frequently asked by my customers. Here I'm talking about questions regarding my services and offers, pricing, operating hours, or any other common inquiries. I add these FAQs into GoHighLevel's Conversation AI and configure the chatbot to respond correctly. This step is crucial for ensuring the chatbot can handle common queries efficiently and with minimal mistakes. Before going live, I run some initial tests to see how the chatbot responds. My team and I spend a few hours asking the bot various questions to see how well it performs. And based on the feedback, we make necessary adjustments to improve the accuracy and performance. This testing helps identify any gaps or issues that we need to address. Once we're satisfied with the chatbot's performance, it's time to go live. We launch the chatbot into a live chat widget on our website. Because it's new, we clearly indicate that it's in training to help manage user expectations, especially as the bot is learning. It's important to remember the work doesn't stop here. We continue to monitor its performance and make improvements based on real-time feedback. Regular updates to the AI's instructions ensure the chatbot remains effective and up to date. Now, setting up an AI chatbot is actually pretty easy. With GoHighLevel, it involves adding a few business details, typing in your website, inserting your most frequently asked questions, testing the bot, and then going live. It's a quick and straightforward process that can significantly enhance your customer service and engagement. Are you ready to implement an AI chatbot into your business? Download my free AI agency playbook for comprehensive training on how to include AI chatbots into your business strategy. Comment AI playbook and I'll send it right over. It's packed with tons of strategies and instruction on how to implement AI chatbots and automation into your sales and marketing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.